Hello, welcome to Unit 7. Today we will talk about energy.
In this lesson, I will learn how to recognize that energy exists in different forms: light, heat, sound, movement. Explore how energy can change things. For example, melt ice, move objects, make sound. Identify common sources of energy: sun, batteries, electricity, food. Understand that energy is used in daily life in many ways. Reflect on how they use energy and how to use it wisely.
Students, identify and describe forms of energy through observation and exploration. Make connections between energy and changes in matter or motion. Use basic reasoning to explain how energy works in simple situations. Reflect on their energy use at home and school. Think critically about how to reduce energy waste and use it responsibly.
Lesson 1. In this lesson, we will ask ourselves the following questions. What is energy? Where does energy come from?
Memorize these words. Key vocabulary: energy,
Power,
fuel,
sun,
battery.
electricity.
What is energy? Energy is what makes things move and work. We use energy to run, play, and grow.
Energy comes from sun, food, electricity.
Cars, lights, and even our bodies need energy to do things. Lesson 2. In this lesson, we will ask ourselves the following questions. What types of energy can we see or hear? Forms of energy.
Memorize these words. Key vocabulary: light,
Heat,
sound,
energy.
hot.
Loud,
Light energy. It helps us see the world around us. The sun is the main source of light on Earth.
we also get light from fire, lamps, and flashlights.
Heat energy. It comes from the sun, fire, and ovens.
We use heat energy to dry things, cook food, and stay warm.
Sound energy. It comes from things that vibrate or move back and forth quickly. These vibrations make sound waves that travel through air.
Lesson 3. In this lesson, we will ask ourselves the following questions. Energy in daily life. How can we save energy?
Memorize these words. Key vocabulary: electricity,
Battery,
food,
power,
save,
waste.
energy all around. We use energy at home, at school, and outside.
Even our bodies use energy when we move, think, or play.
Using energy wisely. We should not waste energy.
Turn off lights when you leave a room. Unplug electronics when you're not using them.
Are you ready to learn more about this lesson?
Let's get started.